We had a problem with Mosaic virus in our garden last year. All of the green beans, tomatoes, and cucumbers got it, and we ripped them out. My first question is, how much soil should be removed to make it safe to plant this year? I am thinking about using a fine netting to keep aphids and whiteflies out this year. Are there any other steps that I can take to protect our garden? I have read several different suggestions online. What can I do to keep it out of my garden this year? And this is Tina in Evansville, Indiana.
Okay.
All right, so we're talking about Mosaic virus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Call about aphids, a lot about aphids.
Okay, yeah, so insect pests can be a vector, for this virus. So how do we keep the virus out?
One of the things I try to do, in there, I try to rotate my vegetables sometimes in different areas of the garden, crop rotation in there. Then you might want to try to buy a variety that don't fight that off, they don't get that on there. So that's what I would do. I try to rotate my vegetables this year. I try to do a different location in there and see what they still get on there. And then also you might want to just buy, like I said, buy a variety that don't affect that in there. Because you don't get, like you see it on tomatoes and peppers and beans, you see it on there a lot of time in there. So I don't think it'll be in the soil in there. I don't think you probably need to move a lot of soil out of there in there.
You don't have to remove any soil.
Okay, then I think so.
So you're exactly right. So here are a couple of points that I like to mention.
Okay.
I always tell people to get virus-resistant seeds. Okay, virus-free seeds.
Right.
Resistant varieties, which you talked about. Something that I would do. But here's something that's critical.
Okay.
Remove those weeds.
Okay.
Because those were the insect pests are.
Okay.
And again, they are the vector, right? For the virus.
For the virus, yeah.
So if you can remove those weeds, then because we know the aphids will be in there, some of your other insect pests. So get those weeds out of there, practice good sanitation. As you mentioned, crop rotation is something else that I would do as well. So if you do all of those things,
you should be able to control that in there.
You should be able to control that.
Yeah, you should be able to control that in there.
You should be able to control it. Don't have to worry about again removing the soil.
In the soil in there, yeah.
Should be fine. But I always look for those resistant varieties and those virus-free seeds.
Because you don't want to start spraying a whole lot of chemicals around in your vegetable garden if you can help it.
If you can help it, right.
Yeah, you can help it there. You don't want to start doing that. Like you said, try to move the weeds and everything, try to get rid of the problem if we want to get on there.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.